Hyenas, they have a bit of a bad reputation, don't they? People often think they're just scavengers, lurking in the shadows and stealing food. But that's not the whole story. Hyenas are much more than meets the eye. These clever creatures are amazing hunters, devoted parents, and masters of communication. So buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of hyenas and uncover the truth about these misunderstood marvels. Ready to laugh and learn? Let's go! First things first, what makes a hyena a hyena? Well, they're not dogs, and they're definitely not cats. Hyenas belong to a unique family all their own, known as Hyenidae. This family is quite special and distinct from other carnivorous mammals. They belong to their own special family called Hyenidae. Within this family, we have a few different characters, each with their own fascinating traits and behaviors. And within this family, we have a few different characters. There's the spotted hyena, the biggest of the bunch. These guys can weigh as much as a grown man. There's the spotted hyena, the biggest of the bunch. These guys can weigh as much as a grown man. Spotted hyenas are known for their social structure, living in large groups called clans that can consist of up to 80 individuals. These guys can weigh as much as a grown man. Then there are brown hyenas and striped hyenas, each with their own unique looks and adaptations to their environments. Then there are brown hyenas and striped hyenas, each with their own unique looks. Brown hyenas are often found in desert regions, while striped hyenas prefer grasslands and rocky terrains, each with their own unique looks. But no matter the species, hyenas share some awesome features. Their powerful jaws can crush bones like nobody's business. This incredible jaw strength allows them to consume almost every part of their prey, leaving little to waste. But no matter the species, hyenas share some awesome features. Their powerful jaws can crush bones like nobody's business. This comes in handy when you're gobbling down every last bit of your prey. And those sloping backs, they might look a bit odd, but they're perfect for running and hunting. Their powerful jaws can crush bones like nobody's business. This comes in handy when you're gobbling down every last bit of your prey. And those sloping backs? They might look a bit odd, but they're perfect for running and hunting. Hyenas are built for endurance, capable of running long distances without tiring. This comes in handy when you're gobbling down every last bit of your prey. And those sloping backs? They might look a bit odd, but they're perfect for running and hunting. Add in excellent night vision and hearing, and you've got yourself a top-notch predator. Hyenas are primarily nocturnal, using their keen senses to hunt in the dark. They might look a bit odd, but they're perfect for running and hunting. Add in excellent night vision and hearing, and you've got yourself a top-notch predator. Their large, rounded ears help them detect the faintest sounds, while their sharp eyes can spot movement even in low-light conditions. Add in excellent night vision and hearing, and you've got yourself a top-notch predator. Hyenas are truly remarkable creatures, perfectly adapted to their roles as both hunters and scavengers in the wild. And you've got yourself a top-notch predator. From their powerful jaws to their keen senses, hyenas are fascinating animals that play a crucial role in their ecosystems. Whether they're hunting in the dark or cleaning up after other predators, hyenas are always up to something interesting. Hyenas are real homebodies. Well, not literally, of course, they're more like habitat bodies. You can find these adaptable animals across Africa and even parts of Asia. From the wide-open savannas to dense woodlands, they've made themselves comfortable in a variety of environments. Think of it like this: a hyena's home is where the food is. And speaking of food, let's move on to everyone's favorite topic: dinner. Remember those powerful jaws we talked about? Well, they're not just for show. Hyenas have some of the strongest jaws in the animal kingdom, capable of crushing bones with ease. This incredible strength allows them to access the nutritious marrow inside, which many other predators can't reach. They're not just for show. These jaws are essential tools for survival in the wild. Hyenas are skilled hunters, and they're not afraid to go after what they want. They often hunt in packs, using their numbers to their advantage. This pack mentality allows them to take down prey that would be too challenging for a single hyena. They can chase down prey at impressive speeds, reaching up to 37 miles per hour. Their endurance and stamina are remarkable, allowing them to keep up the chase for long distances, working together like a well-oiled machine to bring down animals much larger than themselves. This teamwork is crucial, as it increases their chances of a successful hunt. Teamwork makes the dream work, or in this case, the meal work. After a successful hunt, hyenas share their spoils, ensuring that every member of the pack gets a share of the food. Now, about that scavenger label, it's not entirely wrong. Hyenas are opportunistic eaters. They will scavenge when the opportunity arises, but this doesn't mean they are solely scavengers. If they stumble across a free meal, they're not going to turn it down. This adaptability is one of the reasons hyenas are so successful in the wild. But this scavenging actually plays an important role in the ecosystem. By consuming carcasses, hyenas help clean up the environment and prevent the spread of diseases that could arise from decaying bodies. Cleaning up the environment and preventing the spread of diseases. This makes them an essential part of the ecosystem, contributing to the health and balance of their habitat. So next time you see a hyena with a scrap of meat, don't judge. Remember, they're just doing their part to keep the ecosystem in check. They're just doing their part. Whether hunting or scavenging, hyenas play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their environment. Their adaptability and teamwork are key to their survival and success in the wild. Section 5. Girl Power Rules inside a hyena clan. Hyenas are social butterflies, or should we say, social hunters. They live in large groups called clans, and guess what? The females are in charge. That's right, these ladies run the show. The highest-ranking female leads the clan, making decisions about everything from hunting territories to who gets to eat first. Talk about girl power. Life in a hyena clan is full of drama, just like a real-life soap opera. There's competition, alliances, and even a bit of betrayal. But hey, that's family for you, right? Section 6. Hyena babies, cuteness overload with a side of fierce. Get ready for some serious awe moments because hyena babies are adorable. But don't let their cuteness fool you. These little ones are born ready for action. They come into the world with their eyes wide open and their teeth already in place. Talk about being prepared. Hyena moms are incredibly dedicated, providing their pups with rich milk and fierce protection. These cubs might be small, but they're learning from the best. Section 7. Smarter than they look. Hyena brains and chatter. Who's laughing now? Hyenas are incredibly intelligent animals. They're known for their problem-solving skills, often outsmarting other animals and sometimes even humans. They can remember complex social structures, navigate their territories with ease, and even plan out their hunts. And let's not forget about their unique vocalizations. That famous laugh? It's actually a complex form of communication, used to express a range of emotions from excitement to anxiety. Hyenas also communicate through scent marking and body language. They're practically fluent in several languages. Section 8. Ladies first. The unique anatomy of female hyenas. Now, for a bit of a biology lesson. Female hyenas have a very unique anatomical feature, a pseudopenis. This elongated clitoris often causes confusion, but it's just another example of the amazing diversity of the animal kingdom. This unusual feature is thought to be linked to the female-dominated social structure of hyena clans. It's a reminder that in the animal world, anything is possible. Section 9. Protecting the misunderstood. Hyenas need our help. Sadly, despite their important role in the ecosystem, hyenas face many threats. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and negative perceptions all put pressure on these amazing creatures. Hyenas are often misunderstood and unfairly maligned. They are seen as scavengers and villains in many cultures, but in reality, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They help control the populations of other animals and clean up the environment by consuming carrion. Without hyenas, the ecosystem would suffer greatly. The negative perceptions of hyenas are largely due to myths and misinformation. These animals are incredibly intelligent and have complex social structures. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, body postures, and even facial expressions. But there's hope. Conservationists and researchers are working tirelessly to change the narrative and protect these misunderstood animals. Organizations like the African Wildlife Foundation are working hard to protect hyenas and their habitats. They conduct research to better understand hyena behavior and ecology, and they work with local communities to reduce human-wildlife conflict. Education and outreach are also key components of their efforts, helping to dispel myths and promote a more positive image of hyenas. By supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that these laughing hyenas continue to roam free for generations to come. It's not just about saving a single species, it's about preserving the health and diversity of entire ecosystems. When we protect hyenas, we also protect countless other species that share their habitat. So the next time you hear someone say something negative about hyenas, don't be afraid to speak up. Share what you've learned about these incredible animals and help change the conversation. Educate others about the important role hyenas play in the ecosystem and the challenges they face. Together, we can make a difference. By raising awareness and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure a future where hyenas are respected and protected. Let's work together to give these amazing animals the chance they deserve.